Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our chapter 5th, that Adventures of Tom Sawyer. I hope all of you are familiar with this boy Tom Sawyer. Okay, in your class 5th there was also one story. Okay, so Adventures of Tom Sawyers. In this story we will find out that what was going on between his aunt Polly and Tom. Okay, so The Adventures of Tom Sawyer is a novel about a young boy growing up in a town along with Mississippi River in Missouri, USA, where Mark Twain grew up. So, Adventures of Tom Sawyer is a novel written by American novelist Mark Twain. Okay, so the entire novel deals with Tom Sawyer and his activities and his relationship with his Aunt Polly. Okay, so as you can see, Aunt Polly is there, and along with Aunt Polly there is Tom. Okay, Aunt Polly looked over her spectacles and called out as loudly as she could, Tom, Tom. There is no answer. Aunt Polly, she used to wear her spectacles, as you can see, and she called out so loudly, as loud as she could call. To whom she is calling? Tom. But there was no answer. Drat that boy, she muttered to herself, always up to some mischief. Okay, drat means a word that shows that you are annoyed. Okay, she was annoyed and she muttered to herself, she was speaking to herself that always this boy is after some mischief. Okay, mischief means shararat. This time I'm going to catch him for sure. She went to the window, called out again, yoo-hoo, Tom. Okay, so this time she was saying to herself, this time I'm going to catch him for sure. And she went to the window and called out again. Whose name? Tom's name. Tom. Just then she heard a scuffling sound behind her. Scuffling means a noise that somebody is moving. Okay, behind her she just heard that something is moving behind her. She quickly turned around and grabbed a scuffy little boy by his collar. So she quickly turned around. Grabbed means pakad lena, scuffy means untidy, very dirty appearing. Okay, little boy by his collar, as you can see. Aunt Polly is holding one boy from its collar. It was Tom, who was trying to escape without being seen by Aunt Polly. So who was it? It was Tom. He was going away without being seen by Aunt Polly. Aunt Polly से आग चुरा के जाना चाहता था. Okay, aha, caught you. Where you have been, Master Tom? Aunt Polly shook Tom hard. She was holding him from his collar. She shook him and she asked him, where you have been, Master Tom? Master Tom means, for small boys we use the word master. Okay, what were you doing in the closet? Closet means an mirror. Okay, what you were doing there? Nothing at all, protested Tom. Protested Tom means disagreement. Protested means whenever you disagree with somebody. He said, no, nothing at all. I have only come from school. He said, I was not in the closet. I just come from the school. What do you have on your face? Aunt Polly demanded. I don't know, Aunt, said Tom. So Aunt Polly demanded, asked him that what do you have on your face? He said, I don't know. Well, if you don't, then I do. You have been stealing jam again. 100 times have I told you not to put your greasy fingers on the jam jar. So why he was in that almirah, in that closet? He was stealing jam. Jam was there on his mouth. So she told him that how you were stealing jam, and 100 times I told you don't touch the jam jar with greasy hands and to make it dirty. I'm going to skin you alive, snapped Aunt Polly, holding tight onto Tom's shirt. So she wanted to punish him, going to skin you alive, and snapped Aunt Polly. She was holding his collar, she shaking him, and she just trying to punish him. "Look behind you, aunt, quickly now," exclaimed Tom urgently. Immediately, Tom said that, "Look behind you, Aunt Polly." Aunt Polly whirled around, and in that instant, Tom struggled free and disappeared like a shot. So, when Aunt whirled around, turned around, at that time, Tom set him free and disappeared from there. Okay, Aunt Polly stood silent for a minute, then laughed to herself. Aunt Polly just stood there silently for a minute, then laughed. Okay, Aunt Polly stood, drat that boy. Again, that annoyed word that she used, drat. I will never learn anything. It is the oldest trick in the book that I fell for," she said to herself. She said, "I will never learn anything. Every time, whenever I'm holding Tom, he just made this trick on me. He told me that something is behind you, and he just disappeared from there. Oh, but he is a dear boy after all, and my dead sister's son too." So Tom was Aunt Polly's nephew. His mother is no more, so he was living with his aunt. "It is my duty to look after him. I know he's going to play hooky this evening. I will just have to make him work on Saturday." Hooky means when you stay away from school, to bunk the school. She said, "I know that he is going to bunk the school today, and I will make him work on this Saturday." Okay, read till here. With the help of this video, understand these 2 pages.